Hi there, students. Undo, undid, undone. Okay, it's a verb. You can also have the opposite, to redo. You could have a noun, undoing, or another noun, undoable. Is that a noun? No, it's an adjective. This is an undoable thing. And you can also have undone as an adjective as well. So let's look at some meanings of this. So to undo means to reverse the effects of an action. You do something and then you undo it. Yeah? So it's easy to undo most of the damage caused by the rain. Okay? It's not a problem to undo it. The evil that he did can never be undone. It can never be repaired. Yeah, so to do something and then to undo it, to make the effects disappear. Notice in Word or a text processor, normally you have two buttons. Yeah, one that goes like this and is the undo button, and the other one that goes like this and is the redo button. If you click on the undo button, Control Z, you will delete the last thing that you have written. If you click on the redo button, Control V, it will appear again. Okay, so we also use undo to mean to untie, to unfasten, to unwrap, to unopen. So you could undo your safety belt, yeah, when the fasten safety belt sign disappears. He undid his shirt and took it off, unbuttoned. He undid his belt, he took it off, he unfastened it. He undid the knots, he undid the package. And notice here we have the adjective undone. Your button is undone. And his fly was undone. It was open, it was undone, it was unshut. Okay, we also use this word to undo, meaning to cause the downfall of, to cause the failure of. And this is also where the word undoing comes in, because the undoing, the downfall. His greed was his undoing. His greed undid him. Chocolate cakes are my undoing when I'm on diet. I just can't resist them. And then we have this adjective as well, undoable. Undoable means something is impossible to do. Yeah, this is undoable. The task that my boss has set me is totally undoable. Oh yes, and going back to this word undone, your belt is undone. We can also use undone to mean it hasn't been done. Forgive us for the things that we should have done, but we have left undone, not done. So I guess your belt is undone, it's not done, but we also use it for things that you should have done that you didn't do. So, undo, yeah, to reverse or cancel the effects of an action. To undo damage, the undo button on your word processor. To undo, to unfasten, to unlatch. He undid the wrapping paper of the package. Yeah, and something is undone, it is open, it hasn't been done up. To do up, to fasten. The opposite of to do up is undone, or the opposite of done up is undone in that case. So, and then finally, to undo, the undoing, to cause the downfall of. The rain proved to be the undoing of his picnic. The rain undid his picnic. Now notice this undoing, or the rain undid his picnic, is quite formal. I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. Whereas the other meanings, to undo something that is wrong, that's neutral formality. To undo your shirt, again neutral formality. So formality is neutral formality 5, you can use it anywhere, except undoing and to undo somebody's plans, to cause the failure of, more formal, maybe 6.5. Notice as well, it's an irregular verb. Do is an irregular verb. Undo. He undid his shirt. He has undone his buttons. Okay? And then the origin of this, well, it comes from not, and done, or do, which the word do comes from Old English done, and it's related to the Germanic word ton, and these all come from a Proto-Indo-European root. Okay, so undo, to roll back, if you like, to reverse the effects of something. To undo, to open, to unfasten, and to undo, to cause the downfall of. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Undo, undid, undone.